On a recent Healthy Bites episode, I taught you the difference between probiotics and prebiotics. So on this episode of Your Best Life, I'm going to share with you the best foods that you should eat that are great sources for probiotics and prebiotics. But we need to supplement as well. So when it comes to shopping for a good quality probiotic, what should you look for? I'm going to teach you. Stay tuned. Welcome to another episode of Your Best Life. I'm your host and healthy living correspondent, Beth Schomp. Just as our bodies need fuel for energy, probiotics are no different. Probiotics need prebiotics for food. So what are the best food sources for prebiotics? Bananas and apples, they're super easy to have every day, but you also have other options. Watermelon, peaches, and grapefruit, they're all good fruit options for prebiotics. When you cook with garlic, mushrooms, and onions, you're ingesting prebiotics. Whole grains, soybeans, and artichokes, they're also good prebiotics. For probiotics, most people think of yogurt, and that's true. But you'd have to have 40 cups of yogurt to do any good, and that's a lot of calories and a lot of sugar. Cottage cheese typically has a fair amount of probiotics, and you can also get probiotics from Swiss cheese, provolone, Gouda, and cheddar cheeses. Fermented foods like sauerkraut, kombucha and pickles, and even apple cider vinegar, they're all probiotics. So you see, eating the right foods can truly help your gut health. That said, I highly recommend supplementing with a great probiotic. Probiotics are live cultures, which means they expire. When you buy probiotics in a store or even Amazon, they've been most likely sitting in a hot warehouse for months, and you want something fresh. You can't go by the expiration date. Look for manufacturers that do just-in-time manufacturing. That's what you want, and that way you know they're fresh. That's how I buy mine. Then look at the number of active cultures or CFUs. They'll be listed on the bottle. Store-bought brands will typically have 1 or 2 billion per capsule, but you want at least 10 billion per capsule. And something else you want to look for, the guarantee. You will see that some companies will boast 20 to 50 billion flora in their probiotics, but most of them are going to die out. So what you're paying for, you're not even getting. Look for brands that guarantee you a minimum of 10 or 11 billion flora per capsule, and then look at the number of strains. They'll be listed on the bottle as well, and you want something that covers 9 strains or more. Lastly, look for heat and acid-resistant capsules. Heat-resistant capsules are more convenient. You don't have to refrigerate them. Acid-resistant capsules are a must because your supplements are going to go through the stomach before they get to the digestive tract. Stomach acid will kill most flora unless you have an acid-resistant capsule. So look for just-in-time manufacturing, 10 billion or more flora, 9 or more strains, and heat and acid-resistant capsules. If you need help, just ask. I'm more than glad to help. Thanks so much for watching. So now if you have any questions or if you need some help finding the right probiotic, just send me an email at yourbestlife9@gmail.com. Now be sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you missed the Healthy Bites episode, go back and watch that too. I want to really be sure that you're getting properly educated. Until next time, be happy and be healthy.